loved you, never knew how much you cared. When you put your arms around me, I get a fever that's so hard to bear. You give me fever. When you kiss me, fever when you hold me tight. Fever in the morning, fever all through the night. Sun lights up the daytime, moon lights up the night. I light up when you call my name, and you know I'm in the tree. Right, you give me fever. When you kiss me, fever when you hold me tight. Fever in the morning, fever all through the night. Everybody's got the fever, that is something you all know. Fever isn't such a new thing, fever started long ago. Romeo loved Juliet, Juliet, she felt the same. When he put his arms around her, he said, Julie, baby, you're my flame, now give us fever. When we kiss, fever with thy flame. Fever, I'm on fire, fever, yeah, I burn to soothe. Captain Smith and Pocahontas had a very mad affair. When her daddy tried to kill him, she said, Daddy, oh, don't dare you give me fever. With his kisses, fever when he holds me tight. Fever, I'm his missus, Daddy, won't you treat me? Now you listen to my story. Here's the part that I've made. Cats were born to give chicks fever, be it Fahrenheit or centigrade, will give you fever. When we kiss you, fever if you leave me alone. Fever till you sizzle, what a lovely way you burn. What a lovely way you burn. What a lovely way